in case of module 4, another important point I am going to discuss about that, which is known as improve business integrity. Improve the business integrity, big data analytics and IoT, which are mainly related to improve the business. Business means the large scale industries, they are facing so many problems about manage, monitoring and maintaining the data. So that's why they are prepared the artificial intelligence or the deep learning, or another name is known as the machine learning. They wanted to study completely deep learning. So they are improve their business. Business, for example, we can take it as edge data analytics. Edge data analytics, we are given several examples. So one of the best example for edge data analytics is hospital management system. Suppose if you enter this type of hospitals, there are a series or sequence of arrangements. Arrangements means suppose a patient is entered in a particular department, enrolling, and they are monitoring. Everything is in systematic order. Then the nature of work of doctor, nurse and other workers also, they are managing in systematic way. What happens here in big data, instead of unstructured data, the reduce the volume of unstructured data. This is most important in this type of examples. It is available in hospital management only. Suppose if you compare other industries, this type of unstructured data, volume of unstructured data is maximized in other industries, because there is a random processing. The workers and other management systems continuously, those are all the random process. We cannot predict it immediately whether the volume of unstructured data is increased or decreased. That is depends on the nature of or style of the working. So in this way, edge data analytics are useful. It is one of the business tool to improve their business integrity by minimizing the amount of data, clouds of data. For example, you can take a distributed analytics system. It is one of the important tool in big data analytics. Cluster architecture. In this case, cluster architecture should be well known in IoT related projects. Cluster means we can dividing the nature of work and group of data in different clusters. That architecture and the internal structure should be well known. Then only you have to be analyze the data and as well as distributed the data, which is depends on the type of the data according to the availabilities. Data are available from the sensors. So many input devices are there for provide the data. So cluster architecture should be well known about before analyzing and distributing the data according to the related database management system. Another important case technique is streaming analytics. Stream means a group of or cloud of informations are gathered in a particular place. Then it creates naturally the problem, distribution problem. If the data are concentrated in a particular line, you can particular server, naturally data clouding problem is happened. So how you can distribute these data in different types of points. Different points how you will distribute it. Distribution is a technique. Depends on the nature of the data. You have to distribute it. It may be number, or it may be character, or it may be image, or it may be videos, audios. You can classify those data, and afterwards you have start the stream, a cloud of information, a cloud of data to be distributed in various levels, which is known as streaming analytics at the edge in the fog or cloud of the data. Then edge location. Yeah, this is also important, where you are collecting these informations regarding the edge locations, sensors and edge processing devices. So these things are better explained with the help of block diagram. Then only we will realize more better knowledge about the distribution analytic system. Yes, from this distribution analytics, we can just you observe the picture. So this is the edge location, sensors and edge processing parameters. So you can take for instance processor sensor. You are already familiar. Sensor is the device which is collect the information from various operational technology. Then that is processed to the broker. Informations to be divided or break by using the broker. So here is another important parameter is temperature sensor, and processor sensors, temperature sensors are there. So you can take the temperature sensors for you will give an for examples you can in chemical industries. So if you want to take the pressure and temperatures inside the rig, which is depends on the volume how we will inserting a particular item inside that. So almost all petrochemical industries they are utilizing the temperature sensor as well as pressure sensors. They are utilizing to collect the information from the inside the bore. Depends on the nature of temperatures. So these processor sensor, temperature sensors, then processor sensors and temperature sensors are these are the data collecting from various industry, various exercises. We can collect all these information related to pressure as well as temperature. So these collected data may be collected in the edge location by using the sensor, by using edge processing techniques. We can break the information and distribute the information. So distributions, the processes takes place like this. So another important streaming analysis, stream of data is to be distributed depends on the types of data, depends on the picture, image, video, audio. So many types of processes are there. So you can break and distribute and redistribute in different varieties of fields. You can redistribute it. For example, this dashboard is there, data visualization. Data visualization, whatever the data is to be, you are collecting, it may be structured or it may be unstructured. First you will visualize the data, then afterwards you have to distribute it, whether it is a structured or unstructured. Based on the nature of data, you have to be distributed. And another important parameter is path data regional data center, because all the data are gathered in a particular path in particular locations. Afterwards only we have to be distribute and redistribution processes takes place. In this way, it is one of the business entity for data distributions, the edge locations, edge level data analytics. These are the business entities. Almost all the peoples they are using this tools and techniques to avoid the reduce the work of information technology as well as operational technology. They are collecting the huge amount of data in a single place. This is one of the important business tool in IoT related projects. Hence, it is more useful for large scale industries and process industries and chemical, petrochemical. So many industries, peoples, they are adopted this type of technique. Another most important techniques in big data analytics, it is one of the most important points which is known as network analysis. Network analysis is most of the important dynamic data collection systems. Network system you are already familiar, you can gather the informations by using a LAN, by using a MAN or WAN. Any network system you can utilize it. It is one of the major dynamic data collections as well as data distribution system. Data distribution system. So network analysis is most useful elements to collecting the information dynamic systems. So by using the sensors you can send the information through the net and you can collect the information at the particular point. So end-to-end communication is continuously takes place by using network analysis. It is one of the most important technique to gather the informations, to collect the information and distribute the information. Another point is neutralized analytics. Neutralized analytics, it is a technique. Suppose the communication, better communication between two persons or two companies, you have to deeply you can studied about this information. So this is the conversation between the two parties, which is known as a neutralized analytics. And third important function, network function. So in this case, to collect the information, in this case, network is rule, the very important rule to gather the information. Without network systems, you cannot collect any information. Clouds of data are not available. It may be structured or unstructured. With the help of network only, we can gather all these information, especially for big data analysis, IoT related projects. Network is a most important tools. Without network, we cannot achieve anything else. So network function is most important and prominent rule in case of communication and in case of real-time applications. So another important thing is application traffic monitoring and profiling. What traffic means, what a cloud of data, huge of data is to be gathered in a particular place, from the collecting from the operational technologies to the information technology. At that time, the huge amount of data, you may call it as a clouds of data, are very difficult to distribute, and monitoring the profiling and management is the big task. So if the heavy traffic, data traffic, the clouds can be distributed by using special tools in case of big data analytics. It is also one of the important technique for data analytics systems. Another important category for this is, for all the networking systems, the peoples nowadays required security is most important. For example, you can take ATM. ATM, they are complete involvement of security codes and councils. So yes, so many firewalls they are designed. The peoples are hacking different activities they are carried out. Illegal activities are takes place in ATM centers, especially for finance management systems. They should be maintained, managed, and monitoring very secured network system. Without security, peoples are not believed. So they are managing several techniques to manage without any errors. They are trying to build a system which is known as a security analysis. This is most important for all the transactions. Financial sectors, defense sectors, they are very scared about the security analysis. Otherwise, the other enemy people will be gathered our information and our business is collapsed naturally. So secured information, secured network system is most important. Another important technique is securing IoT. IoT means Internet of the Things, which is depends on the nature of networking system. If you build a standard and good firewall networking system, then the peoples, then business, their peoples are believed about the system, then it is treated as a more secure networking systems. Then another important technique is to discuss erosion of allow architecture for securing the industrial environment. So we can fulfill the industrial requirement in standardize. Then we can using this type of technique. Then we are very easily to collect the information and distribute the information in systematic way. So another important tools for data analytics, which is known as pervasive legacy system. It is one of the system for manufacturing industries. So here the static nature, the pervasive legacy system, it is one of the static nature because long stay of equipments in a particular location. Those are all comes under pervasive legacy systems. So this is thing is happened in case of manufacturing industries. So preventing all these tools and techniques, we are using the several big data analytic tools. This is one of the system that is known as pervasive legacy system. And another point we are discussing about here, insecure operational protocols. This is most important. What is the protocol? Protocol means a set of rules and regulations provided by the manufacturers. So if the protocols are standard and you cannot illegal accessing, so which is depends on the security systems. So insecure operational protocol is one of the major disadvantages in case of big data analytics as well as IoT related projects, because almost all the financial transactions and all these parameters are depends upon the security is the most important for all the people or all the customers are required security protocol. Protocol should be very secure in case of especially for financing transactions. So insecure operational protocols are the reduces the business at present world. So what they are doing, they are trying to implement the standard protocol which will be secured with all respect. And another important technique is Modbus. Modbus, which is useful for the security challenges. For any manufacturing industries and environment, they are collecting the different types of data and passes through the via bus. So these, if all the data are gathered just like a cloud, then overlapping with each other, at that time security is most important. It is one of the big challenging tasks in case of all the big data analytics as well as IoT related projects. So security, these are the major challenges while you are clubbing all the data. It is just like treated as a cloud, data clouds. So Modbus, it is one of the important tools and techniques to manage as well as monitoring the big data. So another important protocols we are using for data analytics, which is known as ICCP. ICCP means Inter-Control Center Communication. It is this type of ICCP is useful for North America to control, managing and monitoring all types of big data or clouds of data by using the cloud computing. So many techniques they are adopted. This is one of the important protocol that is known as Inter-Control Center Communication. So another important protocol is DALL-LP3, Distributed Allow Protocol. This is nothing but multiple deployment of the sensors, collecting the information from operational technologies by using this protocol, which is capable to manage the structured as well as unstructured data. Another important protocol is OPC and OLE. OLE means object linking and embedding. It is one of the another important protocol in case of big data analytics to manage and monitor and maintaining the data. So from these protocols we can use it for big data analytics, and Hadoop tool is useful, one most of the important tool in case of big data analytics. So entire task we can analyze, simplified, managing, monitoring, all those tasks are takes place. So likewise we are complete this module 4, that is